We all know the Titanic's tragic end, but what about the iceberg, the silent witness to history? This massive piece of ice began its journey years before the ship was even built, deep in the frozen north. Layer upon layer of snow compressed into ancient blue ice, forming glaciers that crept toward the sea. The iceberg that would meet the Titanic was once part of this slow, relentless force of nature. It drifted south, shaped by wind and waves, a relic from another era. To understand that fateful night in 1912, we must start in the heart of the Arctic, where this story truly begins. Its journey was as dramatic as the ship's, an epic, quiet odyssey that ended in one unforgettable moment. Let's uncover the secrets of this silent giant. Our iceberg story begins in Greenland, likely from the Jakobshavn Glacier, one of the world's fastest-moving rivers of ice. Centuries of snowfall compressed into dense blue ice, each layer a frozen record of time. The iceberg's birth was violent, a thunderous crack as it calved from the glacier and crashed into the sea around 1910. At first, it was a true giant, up to a mile long, millions of tons, with most of its mass hidden underwater. Its jagged, irregular shape made it a floating fortress, forged by immense pressure into hard, brilliant blue ice. This density made it incredibly strong, almost rock-like, perfect for surviving a long journey. As it drifted away from Greenland, it carried the cold and secrets of the Arctic within. This ancient, hardened ice was now on a solitary voyage, a silent giant, beginning its slow drift south. The iceberg's journey was shaped by Arctic winds and ocean currents, not a straight line, but a winding path. It spent months trapped in Baffin Bay, waiting for spring to ride the Labrador Current south. This cold current acted as a natural refrigerator, preserving the iceberg as it drifted into the North Atlantic. Along the way, storms and suns sculpted its shape, breaking off smaller pieces but leaving the core intact. Most icebergs never make it this far. They melt or get stuck. But this one endured. Its immense size and the cold of 1912 kept it alive. It traveled nearly 2,000 miles over 2 years, a survivor from the Arctic entering busy shipping lanes. By the time it reached the Titanic, it was smaller but still a formidable, dangerous obstacle. A relic of the North, drifting into a world of steel giants. Its journey was almost complete. What made this iceberg so deadly? Its size, shape, and hardness. When Titanic met it, the iceberg was about 400 feet long, rising 100 feet above water, but most of its mass lurked unseen below. Its recently rolled smooth side acted like a giant can opener against the ship's steel hull. The iceberg's dark, dense ice blended into the black, moonless night, almost invisible to the lookouts. 1912 was a year of many icebergs, but this one was especially dangerous, a perfect storm of conditions. It was part of a crowded field in Iceberg Alley, waiting silently in the world's busiest shipping lane. The calm sea gave no warning. No waves broke against the ice. All the elements aligned for disaster. On April 14, 1912, the sea was eerily calm, no waves to reveal the iceberg's presence. Titanic sped ahead, unaware despite ice warnings. In the crow's nest, lookouts finally spotted a dark mass. "Iceberg, right ahead!" The crew tried to turn, but it was too late. The ship scraped along the iceberg's submerged edge. In seconds, ancient ice tore open the hull, flooding 5 compartments. The iceberg, scarred with red paint, drifted on, its role in history complete. It melted away in the Gulf Stream, but its legacy endures. The story of the Titanic's iceberg is a reminder. Nature's slow, patient power can outmatch even our greatest creations. What do you think of this silent witness to history? Share your thoughts below and follow for more untold stories.